Check out this 2017 Kia Cadenza technology. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 10-way power adjustable driver's seat, 290 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth and clock, analog. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.